Hi, and welcome to an Imagine Landscapes tutorial about the backwards loop increase, also known as the E-loop. It's also a cast-on method, so you may have come across this before. What we're looking to do with the E-loop increase, or using it as a cast-on, is to make a stitch. We want to increase the number of stitches on our needle, whether we're at the very beginning of a project and we have no stitches on our needle, or we're in the middle of a project and we're looking for a simple way to create a stitch. So in this one, using your left hand and the running yarn here, the working yarn, take your thumb under that so that the yarn comes from behind. So under, scooping towards yourself, come under that yarn, then take the right needle tip and from the bottom of your thumb towards your fingernail, take it, pull your thumb out, it'll happen pretty naturally, and just pull on that loop. And then all you do is whatever the pattern tells you next. It's probably going to tell you to knit the next stitch. And so then we have this little tiny created stitch. So let me show you again. We'll knit over. Now it's time again. So I need to bring my thumb under and towards myself. Then I take my right needle and going from the bottom of the thumb towards the thumb tip, I scoop that loop off my thumb, pull to tighten, and continue working. This is a very simple increase that is kind of a sister to the make one left and make one right. It creates a very similar look, except instead of using a running thread or a running strand from the row below, it basically creates its own between two stitches. Hope that helps.